A dead battery can ruin your day in seconds. Whether you're dealing with a car that won't start, maintaining seasonal vehicles, or diagnosing battery problems, having the right charger and tester can save both time and money. In today's review, we're taking a closer look at 5 popular battery maintenance tools. We'll compare charging capability, testing features, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide which product best fits your needs. Let's get started. NOCO 5 amp single battery charger. First up is the NOCO 5 amp single battery charger. This charger is designed for users who maintain one vehicle at a time. It supports both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, including AGM, lithium, deep cycle, and standard lead-acid batteries. Its fully automatic charging system monitors battery condition and adjusts charging as needed, reducing the risk of overcharging. Another useful feature is maintenance mode, allowing the charger to stay connected for long periods without damaging the battery. For daily drivers, motorcycles, boats, or lawn equipment, this charger offers a simple and reliable solution. NOCO 5 amp triple battery charger. If you regularly maintain multiple batteries, the NOCO 5 amp triple battery charger offers much more flexibility. Instead of charging one battery, it can independently manage 3 batteries at the same time. Each charging bank operates separately, meaning one battery can be fully charged while another remains in maintenance mode. For RV owners, boat owners, workshops, or anyone with several vehicles, this multi-bank charger can significantly reduce charging time and improve convenience. Foxwell battery tester. Charging a battery is only part of the job. Knowing whether the battery is actually healthy is just as important. That's where the Foxwell battery tester comes in. It quickly measures battery health, cold cranking amps, charging system performance, and alternator output. Results are displayed within seconds, making it much easier to identify weak batteries before they fail. For DIY mechanics, this tool provides valuable diagnostic information without requiring expensive shop equipment. Carbon pile battery tester. Unlike electronic testers, the carbon pile battery tester performs a true load test. Instead of simply analyzing battery voltage, it places the battery under heavy electrical load to simulate real starting conditions. This method has been trusted by professional mechanics for decades because it reveals voltage drop during high current demand. Although it requires more experience to operate correctly, many technicians still consider it one of the most accurate ways to evaluate battery performance. FLUKE multimeter. Finally, we have the FLUKE multimeter. While it's not a dedicated battery tester, it's one of the most versatile electrical diagnostic tools available. In addition to measuring battery voltage, it can test continuity, resistance, current, and many other electrical circuits throughout a vehicle. For anyone troubleshooting charging systems, wiring problems, or electrical components, a quality multimeter is an essential addition to the toolbox. Its accuracy and durability have made FLUKE a trusted choice among both professionals and serious DIY users. So, which tool should you choose? If your goal is simply maintaining a single battery, the NOCO 5 amp single battery charger is an excellent everyday option. If you manage multiple vehicles or marine batteries, the NOCO 5 amp triple battery charger offers greater convenience by charging 3 batteries independently. For fast battery diagnostics, the Foxwell battery tester provides quick and easy health reports. If maximum testing accuracy under real load conditions is your priority, the carbon pile battery tester remains a proven professional solution. And if you want the most versatile electrical testing tool, the FLUKE multimeter delivers far more than battery testing alone. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your garage, your vehicles, and how much diagnostic capability you need. If you'd like to check today's prices, customer reviews, or compare these tools in more detail, you'll find links to all of them in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.